Pharmaceutical presentation. Pharmaceuticals drying machine, and PET bottle filling sealing and capping machine. Pharmaceuticals drying machine. Drying equipment for pharmaceuticals. Pharmaceutical drying equipment is the process of removing the presence of solvents, i.e., water or other liquids, in a formulation with the presence of heat. The final product of this unit operation is a dry solid mass or powder. This process is widely used in the pharmaceutical field, from the research and development phase to large-scale manufacture. It is important to have a good understanding of this process impact on the quality attributes of the active pharmaceutical ingredient, API, in order to guarantee that it will not have any adverse impact on the drug's safety and efficiency, thus providing high-quality final products. All drying processes of relevance to pharmaceutical manufacturing involve evaporation or sublimation of the liquid phase and the removal of the subsequent vapor. Various drying methods. This method utilizes dynamic convective dryers, e.g., fluidized bed dryers, to obtain good contact between the warm drying air and wet particles in the fluidized bed dryer. The fluidized bed dryer was developed for the process of fluidization to improve the efficiency of heat transfer and vapor removal as compared with the older static tray dryers. This fluidized bed dryer also allows the efficient transfer of the latent heat of evaporation from the air into the solid. The advantages of fluidized bed drying: shortens drying time with efficient heat and mass transfer, allowing high product output with a small footprint. Reduces the heat challenge to thermolabile material turbulence in a fluidized bed, causing some gnawing on the surface of the granule, thus producing a more spherical free-flowing product. Drying for solutions and suspensions. The main objective of this process is to create a large surface area with the liquid that will allow heat and mass transfer. This provides an efficient way to collect the dry solid particles. Spray drying is the most useful method for drying solutions and suspensions, as it disperses the liquid into a fine mist of small droplets. This operation uses a spray dryer, which atomizes the liquid into smaller droplets, thus creating a large surface area for heat and mass transfer. They are sprayed into a stream of hot air so that each droplet dries into an individual solid particle. Particle formation and drying occur. PET bottle filling sealing and capping machine. PET bottle filling and capping machine. If you look around, almost every liquid packed item comes in a clean bottle, plastic or glass, that is filled with the same amount of liquid, properly sealed, and labeled with various pieces of information. It is a simple but long process that is performed by automated machines. These machines are mostly used in food and pharmaceutical companies where liquids are filled with edible items. Let's have a look at the process and see how these bottles are packed. Machine for washing bottles. A bottle washing machine is the first part of the process. Although bottles are cleaned beforehand properly to prevent any kind of bacteria or contaminated particles, they are sprayed with some gas or water. First, the bottles are kept on a rotating platform, and then, with the help of a conveyor belt, they are fed into the washer. Further, the bottle cleaner is sprayed into the bottles with the help of nozzles and spray systems to ensure proper cleaning of the bottles. The machine used for the purpose can be of two types. In a linear bottle washing machine, bottles are washed in a straight line, and in a rotator bottle washing machine, where a circular rotator platform is used to clean bottles. The former is more suitable for small bottles, whereas the latter is used for big bottles. Machine for filling bottles. After washing, bottles are processed further on a conveyor belt towards the liquid bottle filling machine. Nozzles of the machine fill bottles with the required liquid with the help of a volumetric bottle liquid filler. Nozzles may also contain anti-dripping valves, which can help to prevent any spillage during filling. Different sizes of bottles can be filled with this machine. Machine for capping bottles. Now filled bottles are processed ahead on the conveyor belt for the bottle screw capping machine. Caps are fed through an elevator, and then screwed on liquid containing bottles with accurate torque and sealed the bottle mouth, depending on the liquid and some other factors. Instead of plastic caps, roll-on pilfer-proof closures can be used. These are aluminum caps accepted internationally as sealing devices. They are placed and sealed with the help of a bottle ROPP capping machine. Also, if the bottles are made of glass, a glass bottle capping machine is used, and for plastic bottles, a PET bottle capping machine is used. machine for labeling bottles. Moving forward on the conveyor belt, the bottle reaches the labeling part of the machine. The bottle labeling machine contains labels in the form of a bundle. Initially, bottles are oriented properly in a line at an equal distance. Then, these labels are attached to the bottles, one at a time. The release plate is used for smooth application of the label, and a sponge roller makes sure there are no air bubbles between the bottle surface and the label. For different types of bottles, various models of labeling machines are used. A round bottle labeling machine is used for bottles containing oral medicine. And for long height bottles, a vertical bottle sticker labeling machine is used. Some bottles, like shampoo bottles, are flat, and for them, either a flat bottle labeling machine or a double-sided flat bottle sticker labeling machine is used. Why Dewan Project Tech? Dewan Project Tech ensures timely supply of goods and equipments and also factors of transit and insurance, finding correct vendor who is fit for the needs in all commercial and technical field. We work in the professional nature to fulfill the supply on right time with to the quality factor as per firm norms. We keep secrecy to maintain our business ethics while dealing with the clients. Ensure the manufacturing department to get the supply without delay. Taking control of the cost and process execution in line with multiple vendors. Evaluating, selecting, auditing the vendor as per requirements of customer with various vendors of same specifications and maintaining the quality standards. We would get the suppliers on board at genuine price. Contact us as given below address and reach on our website and social media. Subscribe our channel and share on social networks.